Are you looking for a cash register that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best cash register you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Goehiaul Cash Box with Lock Key and Money Tray, Large Money Box for Cash Register, Metal Lock Box. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The Goehiaul Cash Box with Lock and Money Tray is a sturdy, reliable, and versatile solution for keeping your cash and valuables organized and secure, whether at home, on the go, or in a busy small business. Designed with practicality in mind, it features dedicated sections for coins, bills, notes, and receipts, ensuring everything has its place and is easy to access when needed. The 4 spring clips securely hold paper currency in place, preventing slips or scattered bills during outdoor events like yard sales, markets, or craft shows. Built from heavy-duty metal and weighing 4 pounds, this lockbox offers durability and peace of mind, while the stainless steel handle makes it convenient to carry wherever business takes you. A strong mechanical key lock comes with 2 keys, including a spare, and each box is uniquely keyed for added security. Compact yet spacious, this portable cash register alternative is perfect for daily money handling, fundraising events, or personal savings, offering a simple, dependable way to protect and organize cash in any setting. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. PYY Cash Register for Small Businesses, Electronic Commercial Caja Registradora para Negocio with Lock Cash Drawer. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The PYY Cash Register for Small Businesses is a practical and reliable all-in-one solution designed to simplify daily operations while keeping everything organized and secure. Perfect for small supermarkets, convenience stores, and restaurants, this commercial-grade register combines a built-in thermal receipt printer, dual screens, and a secure cash drawer into one compact system. With support for up to 200 departments, 10,000 items, and 1,000 members, it makes managing inventory and customer transactions effortless. Its fast one-click checkout system reduces wait times, while detailed reporting, covering sales by hour, item, cashier, or department, helps you keep track of performance with clarity. The integrated printer delivers quick receipts at speeds of up to 90 mm per second, and the dual display ensures both staff and customers can view transaction details clearly. Designed with durability in mind, the ABS casing is waterproof and oil-resistant, making it suitable for busy retail or food service environments. Equipped with multiple connectivity options and enhanced with secure cashier logins and 6 drawer keys, the PYY Cash Register offers convenience, accuracy, and peace of mind for business owners everywhere. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Nadex CR360 Cash Register Quick Load Thermal Printer Compact Size Cash and Coin Drawer. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The Nadex CR360 Cash Register is a smart, compact, and dependable choice for businesses that want efficiency and convenience without unnecessary complexity. Designed to handle everyday transactions smoothly, it features 4 bill slots and 8 coin compartments, complete with a removable coin tray for storing important documents like checks and payslips securely underneath. Its quick-load thermal printer makes receipt printing effortless, while allowing you to customize headers and footers to reflect your brand. With a 5-inch LCD operator display and an 8-digit customer display, both staff and customers enjoy clear visibility during every transaction. The CR360 also supports up to 4,700 PLUs, 50 departments, and 50 cashier profiles, giving you room to scale as your business grows. Detailed reporting options, from financial summaries to hourly and refund reports, help you stay on top of performance with ease. Security and control are built in with 3 custom command keys for clerks, managers, and drawer access. Plus, with a serial port for connecting barcode scanners, scales, or kitchen printers, the Nadex CR360 adapts to diverse business needs worldwide. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Volcora 13-inch electronic cash register drawer for point of sale with 4 bill 5 coin cash tray, removable coin compartment. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. The Volcora 13-inch electronic cash register drawer is a compact yet highly reliable solution for businesses of all sizes, offering durability, security, and everyday convenience in one sleek design. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, this register drawer is designed to withstand constant use while maintaining a professional look that suits retail shops, restaurants, kiosks, or any point-of-sale setup. Inside, it features 4 bill slots and 5 coin compartments with a removable coin tray, giving you flexible organization for smooth transactions. A front media slot provides quick storage for larger bills, checks, or receipts without needing to open the drawer fully, helping improve both efficiency and safety. Security is prioritized with a 3-position key lock and 6 included backup keys, offering manual, automatic, and locked functions to suit different business needs. The drawer easily integrates with most major receipt and thermal printer brands through its RJ11 or RJ12 connection, ensuring seamless operation within your POS system. Designed for practicality, reliability, and peace of mind, the Volcora cash drawer is a trusted choice for small businesses and busy establishments worldwide. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Petrosoft All-in-One Smart POS 129 Professional Cash Register for Small Business POS Bundle includes. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. The Petrosoft All-in-One Smart POS 129 is designed to simplify retail management for small and medium-sized businesses, giving you everything you need to start selling the very same day. This professional POS bundle includes a sleek 15-inch cashier touchscreen, a matching 15-inch customer-facing promo display, a secure cash drawer, a handheld scanner, and a fast thermal printer, all working together for a smooth checkout experience that feels effortless for both staff and customers. Unlike many systems, the Smart POS 129 comes with no hidden fees or forced subscriptions, plus it integrates with over 50 card processors, offering flexibility without extra hardware costs. With its intuitive interface, easy setup, and free personalized onboarding call, you can have your system running in minutes. The included Retail 360 mobile app allows you to scan products, update your price book, and manage your business from anywhere, giving you true freedom and control. Whether you're upgrading from a traditional cash register or looking for a complete all-in-one solution, the Smart POS 129 is a powerful, reliable, and convenient choice that helps streamline operations and boost efficiency. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.